Hi! In this video, we will take a look at what are custom features in the Simply Book Me appointment scheduling system. Each Simply Book Me account comes with basic features and custom features, which are essentially add-ons that expand the functionality of your booking page. You will be able to activate a specific amount of custom features depending on the subscription plan you're using. For instance, the premium plan does not have a custom feature limit, while the free plan only allows enabling one paid custom feature at a time. New users can enjoy a 14-day trial to test out various features and determine which ones will accommodate their requirements. Here are some examples of the custom features that are available in our system. You can accept payments and deposits through a range of payment processors, use additional fields to collect necessary information from your clients, synchronize bookings and busy times with an external Google or Outlook calendar to avoid scheduling conflicts, offer memberships, packages, discount coupons and gift cards to increase sales, integrate with Facebook and Instagram to get more bookings, use the client mobile app to offer your clients a dedicated app which they can use to book with you. The Simply Book Me team is constantly working on improving and adding new custom features, so make sure to check back for updates. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing Simply Book Me.